So I ordered this from Flipkart, RTX 2060 6GB variant. It cost me around 10,500 Indian rupees, which is about 120 US dollars. Here are some booklets. Also you get a Zotac sticker. This is a brand new product. This is actually unused, maybe an old stock. Here you can see there are 3 display port and 1 HDMI port. This is a PCIe 8-pin connector for the graphics card. I have a 550 watt power supply. Now let's plug the HDMI cable into the graphics card output so that I will get display through this graphics card, and let's check if it works or not. The display is coming, the graphics card is fine. Now here I can see in the task manager GPU 0 is showing, which is iGPU. I have to install the drivers, and let's check in the BIOS. Press F2 repeatedly, then click advanced settings, then go to advanced tab, select NV configuration. Here in the NV configuration everything seems okay. This must be a driver problem. First install the GPU G and then the NVIDIA drivers. Install 2 new fans at the top for better thermals. Both the graphics card fans are now working after the installation of drivers. For undervolting process and benchmarking, you need these softwares. First install MSI Afterburner and then Heaven Benchmark. If it asks to install Riva Tuner Statistics Server, please install it. Open MSI Afterburner, Heaven Benchmark, also Riva Tuner Statistics Server. In Riva, toggle the start with Windows and on-screen display settings as shown. Here I have added CS2 using add button. You can also add your desired game, but for now you can have only global. And here you can set a desired zoom level. Now minimize Riva Tuner. Now open MSI Afterburner, click settings gear icon. Here you can see my settings. Just copy these and uncheck start with Windows and start minimized for now, and check the box unlock voltage control and unlock voltage monitoring. Now from upper tab select on-screen display. Now you can set a shortcut to show in-game FPS here. Set any key as you like. Now click on monitoring tab. Here you can see the settings and copy it. In MSI afterburner, toggle this small arrow to know your GPU numbering. This is important. For me, GPU number is 2. Select temperature, voltage, FPS and usage for this GPU only. The blue highlight indicate the selected item. Tick the checkbox on left margin. It will be in dark color once selected. Then click show in OSD box, that is on-screen display box. Also you can add it to system tray. Click apply and OK. Now come to Heaven benchmark. I am setting a extreme preset so that the GPU usage is 100% while benchmarking. Benchmarking for 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough. Now notice the clock frequency number and voltage. After 5 to 10 minutes you can exit the benchmark. Now just follow these steps. You can see these grids. Click the white dot on graph where the curve is plotted. We are going to tune the voltage here. See the 1050 mV line and click the corresponding dot on curve. Now let's see an example of 1000 mV. Press hold and shift key. Don't release. And don't release it for now. Click the mouse on 1000 mV intersection point on curve and drag it. But don't release the shift key while dragging. After the curve shifts upward to the desired value, release the shift key. Now click curve point on 1000 mV mark. Confirm it is the same frequency that you noticed. Now hold your shift key, just click little left to the point selected. See my cursor is just left of the point but not reaching the previous point on curve. Now hold your click, drag to the right till the end of the graph. Now you can release your shift key and mouse. Now again press and hold shift and press enter key 2 times. Your graph will be flattened. Here you can click apply and save icon. Now again benchmark to see if the system is stable. You can directly skip to 975 mV line. Most graphics card will work for 975 mV. If you want to get every bit of juice, I recommend you to decrease it by 10 mV every step after 975 mV. When the Windows icon is blue, means MSI afterburner will apply the setting on boot. After your system is stable, you can apply start with Windows and start minimized. You can click the save button here and press any of these profile number to save your curve. See, now the curve is applied. Now let's benchmark and play some games. The power usage is significantly dropped from 172 watts to 145 watts in my case.